Ever wonder what makes koalas so unique? Or why they spend their lives nestled in the eucalyptus forests of Australia? In the towering forests down under, where the eucalyptus trees reach for the sky, you'll find one of Australia's most cherished icons, the koala. This endearing creature represents not just Australia's wildlife, but its natural heritage and the unique biodiversity that thrives on this continent. Koalas are more than just cute faces. With their plush, round ears and button-like noses, they are instantly recognizable and have a charm that is irresistible. But beyond their adorable exterior, koalas are fascinating creatures. They are arboreal marsupials, which means they spend the majority of their lives high up in the branches of trees, specifically eucalyptus trees. Here they eat, sleep and nurture their young, enveloped in the comforting scent of eucalyptus. Their sleepy demeanor is not just a quirk, it's a necessary part of their lifestyle. Eucalyptus leaves, which make up almost the entirety of a koala's diet, are tough and low in nutrition. To compensate, koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day, conserving their energy for the vital task of feeding. Their unique digestive system is specially adapted to break down the fibrous eucalyptus leaves, extracting the maximum amount of nutrients. This specialized diet makes them selective feeders, choosing only certain types of eucalyptus leaves over others. Koalas are more than just inhabitants of the eucalyptus forests. They are integral parts of their ecosystem. Their feeding habits help to prune the trees, promoting new growth and assisting in the dispersal of eucalyptus seeds. But despite their importance and popularity, koalas face threats from habitat loss, disease, and a changing climate. Conservation efforts are in place, but there is still much work to be done to ensure the survival of these unique marsupials and the preservation of their eucalyptus homes. Indeed, the koala is a creature like no other, a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife and a testament to the wonders of nature. As we delve further into their world, let us remember the importance of these charming creatures and the critical role they play in their environment. Koalas have a unique relationship with the eucalyptus, a tree that forms the backbone of their diet and habitat. These cuddly marsupials are specialized feeders, subsisting almost entirely on the leaves of eucalyptus trees. In fact, an adult koala consumes about 1 kilogram of eucalyptus leaves each day, a dietary preference that earns them the title of being selective eaters. The eucalyptus leaves, while fragrant and abundant, are not an easy meal. They are tough, fibrous, and contain compounds that are toxic to many animals. Yet, koalas thrive on this diet, thanks to their unique digestive system. A koala's stomach has a long sac-like appendix that houses bacteria capable of breaking down the tough leaves. This process unlocks the nutrients within, providing koalas with the energy they need to lead their tree-dwelling lifestyles. Moreover, eucalyptus leaves are a water source for koalas. The leaves contain a significant amount of water, which helps to keep koalas hydrated, especially during periods of drought. This ability to derive both food and water from eucalyptus leaves allows koalas to remain high in the tree canopies, away from ground-based predators and extreme heat. In addition to being a source of sustenance, eucalyptus trees provide koalas with a home. These marsupials are adept climbers, using their sharp claws and strong limbs to navigate the high branches where they sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Eucalyptus forests offer koalas shelter and safety, and the trees' dense canopies provide a cool and humid environment, helping these furry creatures stay comfortable in the harsh Australian climate. Indeed, the eucalyptus is more than just a tree to the koala. It's a source of sustenance, a home, and a symbol of their enduring resilience. The relationship between koalas and eucalyptus trees is a testament to the remarkable adaptability of nature, reminding us of the intricate and delicate balance that exists within our planet's ecosystems. Despite their popularity, koalas face a number of threats that endanger their survival. The first and perhaps most devastating of these is habitat loss. As human populations grow and urban areas expand, koalas are increasingly losing their homes. The eucalyptus forests they depend on are being cleared away for agriculture, housing, and infrastructure development. This not only leaves koalas without their source of food and shelter, but also makes them vulnerable to traffic accidents and attacks from domestic animals as they are forced to traverse through unfamiliar landscapes. Next, we have the threat of climate change. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns pose significant challenges to the koala's survival. Prolonged heat waves can cause severe dehydration in koalas, while intense bushfires fueled by dry conditions can decimate vast swathes of eucalyptus forests in a matter of hours, leaving the koalas with nowhere to go. Finally, koalas are grappling with the onslaught of disease. The most notable of these is chlamydia, a bacterial infection that can cause blindness, infertility, and even death in koalas. In certain regions of Australia, up to 90% of koala populations are reported to be infected with this disease, posing a significant threat to their survival. The impact of these threats on koala populations has been stark. In the past 2 decades alone, koala numbers have plummeted by nearly 28%. Their eucalyptus forest homes are shrinking, and with it, so are their chances for survival. Yet amidst the gloom, there is hope. Around the world, people are waking up to the plight of the koalas. Conservation efforts are underway, and each of us can play a part in ensuring the survival of these iconic creatures. Whether it's supporting sustainable land use practices, reducing our carbon footprint, or advocating for stronger wildlife protection laws, every action counts. The survival of the koala is a pressing concern, one that requires immediate attention and action. Let's not wait until it's too late to save these guardians of the eucalyptus forests. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the koala and preserve its eucalyptus forest home. The plight of the koala, a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife, has led to a surge of initiatives aimed at safeguarding these enchanting creatures and their natural habitats. From local community groups to international non-profit organizations, numerous entities have stepped up to champion koala conservation. These efforts span a broad spectrum of activities, including habitat restoration, research, and public education. Habitat restoration is critical, as the loss of eucalyptus forests due to urban development, agriculture, and wildfires has left many koalas homeless. Through reforestation projects, conservationists are working tirelessly to replant native eucalyptus trees, providing koalas with the food and shelter they need to thrive. Research is another crucial aspect of koala conservation. Scientists are studying koala behavior, diet, and disease resistance to better understand their needs and how to protect them. This valuable knowledge informs conservation strategies and helps to develop effective solutions to the challenges koalas face. Public education plays a key role in koala conservation as well. By raising awareness about the threats koalas face and the importance of their survival, these initiatives inspire people to take action. They encourage responsible behaviors, such as respecting koala habitats and supporting conservation efforts. It's important to remember that koala conservation is not just about protecting a single species, it's about preserving a unique ecosystem that's home to a myriad of wildlife. By protecting koalas and their eucalyptus forest habitats, we're also safeguarding the biodiversity that makes Australia's landscapes so rich and vibrant. Every effort counts in the fight to save the koala, a treasured icon of Australia's wildlife. The future of these adorable marsupials hangs in the balance, and it's up to us to tip the scales in their favour, ensuring their survival and the preservation of their unique eucalyptus forest home. Koalas play a crucial role in shaping their environment, especially the eucalyptus forest they call home. As residents of these towering forests, koalas are more than just consumers of eucalyptus leaves. They're also caretakers, contributing to the health and vitality of their surroundings in several significant ways. Firstly, koalas help to prune the trees they inhabit. By selectively feeding on the leaves, they encourage the growth of fresh new foliage. This constant cycle of consumption and regrowth ensures the eucalyptus forests remain vibrant and flourishing. In addition, koalas play a part in seed dispersal. As they move from tree to tree, they drop seeds onto the forest floor. This process aids in the propagation of eucalyptus trees, promoting diversity within the forest ecosystem. But it's not just about the trees. Koalas also create habitats for other species. The hollows in eucalyptus trees where koalas make their homes can become nesting sites for a variety of birds and small mammals. Moreover, koalas serve as an indicator species. Their health and population trends can provide valuable insights into the overall health of the eucalyptus forests. Any changes in koala numbers or behavior can signal shifts in the ecosystem, allowing conservationists to identify and address potential issues early on. However, as we've discussed, koalas face numerous threats, from habitat loss to climate change. These challenges not only threaten the survival of the koalas themselves, but also the health of the eucalyptus forests they help to maintain. In the grand tapestry of nature, The koala serves a vital role, one that underscores the importance of preserving Australia's unique ecosystems. The survival of koalas is intrinsically linked to the survival of the eucalyptus forests, and by extension, the rich biodiversity they support. So let's remember, every time we marvel at the sight of a koala nestled in a eucalyptus tree, we're witnessing a beautiful symbiosis, a testament to the intricate, interconnected web of life that makes our world so wonderfully diverse.